What's up, guys? Alright, so it is the next day. Didn't want to work on the motor while it's still warm, but from the past two pulls I made, the last pull, she spewed a little oil. So I found out that my dipstick here actually came out and just got oil everywhere. So I'm thinking a lot of my biggest problem is these valve covers I have on it, and I really don't have a really good breathing system on it. So what I'm gonna do is, I already did it. I went to Summit today and picked up some new valve covers, and we're gonna get these off and we're gonna get the new ones put on. The only thing I really notice I may have a problem is maybe right here, downpipe there, right there by the brake booster. The new valve covers I got are quite a bit taller than what I have here now, and they also have baffles on them. These don't, so I was getting a lot of oil coming out of these valve covers, and I was just getting oil everywhere. That's why I went with this cheap catch can system, and it's not big enough for this motor. Alright, so these are the valve covers I got. So Ford Racing, got them at Summit. They were like $33. You can see it's got the baffle inside there. I'm already doing to both sides. So now we're just going to get the old ones off and we can get started putting these new ones on. Shouldn't be too hard to do. Probably need to take this downpipe, take it loose. For this side, let's take the charge pipe off. Alright, so I got this side done. It fit pretty damn good. So now I'm working on the passenger side here. Got my downpipe taken off the turbo, so I can get to these little bolts, or little bolts on the bottom here. And this one should be easier to do. It's my little rig job there, because it was just gushing oil out. Now, like I said, these don't have any baffles on. And literally, like, this hole is like right above a rocker, so oil can come squirting right out of that hole. But we got some new valve covers, and hopefully they do a lot better. Alright, guys, so it's the next day. Did as much as I could yesterday as far as the valve covers. Got them on, ran the engine for a little bit, and everything seems to be good. Nothing's leaking. The only thing I'm kind of worried about is this breather here being so close to this downpipe. But like I said before, I'm running baffles on these covers. Hopefully they don't leak. So we're just going to keep an eye on that one when we start making some pulls on it again, and it starts leaking, then we're definitely going to have to get a catch can set up a lot better than before. Got the old one just kind of sitting there for right now. Took all the hoses, everything off. So right now I got the breathers on it, and hopefully it'll work out. And while I'm at it, I went ahead and put these spark plugs on. These spark plug wires. They're not the greatest, but I tested them out last night. They're a lot better than I had on the car. I had some Ford Racing wires, and you can see them in daylight. You can see them arcing off the motor, and you can see them arcing off each other. So that's no good. So I tested these new wires out last night with the lights off, and I didn't see no arcing at all. Everything looked good. So I also noticed the engine ran that just a little bit better. So we'll find out once we start driving it. And I went ahead and rechecked my timing on it. Still looking good. Still right at 10 degrees. But I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here and probably just head inside because it's like almost 100 degrees in this garage, if not more. It's 100 degrees outside. Just standing here doing this video, I'm just getting covered in sweat. So I'm just going to wrap up this video here. Hopefully you like it. If you do, hit the like button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. You know I always answer them. I'll do it, well, within a week. But and don't forget to ring that bell up top. YouTube's got this thing now. You gotta ring the bell to notify you, or you'll know if I have a video come out. It's kind of stupid, but anyways, till next time, guys. I'll see y'all later.